Today we're doing some t-shirt braiding, which is essentially a skinny ladder weave. So grab your scissors. For this tutorial, I used a piece of cardboard, a t-shirt, a ruler, small sharp scissors, and a conte stick to mark my clothing. First, put your shirt on inside out and mark about 3 to 4 inches lower than you want your shirt to end. Then lightly mark out where you want your braids to be. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and cut off the bottom of the shirt and also the collar. Now we're going to mark out where the weave will go, so draw a line very close around the neck hole, about 1/2 centimeter away from the edge. Then measure and mark 1 inch down from that line all the way around like a collar. Then connect these marks so you have 2 lines 1 inch apart. Now measure down the center of these 2 lines and mark 1/2 inch sections all the way around. Then draw lines connecting the 2 original lines at these 1/2 inch marks, making what looks like a ladder. Flip your shirt over and repeat the process on the back. Now back to the front of the shirt. We're going to draw 2 more ladders starting about 1/2 centimeter away from the first one. We will be using the same measurements and drawing them in kind of an hourglass shape, all while trying to ignore the cat. Now it's time to cut, so put your cardboard inside the shirt, which I forgot, and we're only going to be cutting along the short inch-wide lines or the rungs of the ladder. Make a small hole in the fabric and cut from there. And make sure your cuts start and stop at the long lines or the rails of the ladders. This process will take a while, but once you've cut along all the inch-wide lines, turn your shirt back inside in. Now it's time to weave. So we'll be doing a ladder weave, and to do this, you grab a strip near the edge of the collar. Now grab the strip below it and pull it up, behind, and over the first. Now grab the next strip down and pull it up, behind, and over the last. Continue this pattern all the way around the collar. When you get back to where you started, you're going to grab your last strip and cut it in half. Put one side inside the shirt, then wrap the other one around the strip you started with and tie both sides back together inside the shirt. Trim the ends. Stretch out your weave, making the collar normal sized again. Now it's time to start weaving the next set of strips. To start, grab the top strip and put it up, behind, and through the side of the collar weave. Then grab the next strip down and weave it up, behind, and over the first. Grab the next strip down and weave it up, behind, and over the last. Continue this pattern all the way to the bottom. When you get to the second last strip, cut it in half and then tie it back together around the bottom strip. Stretch your weave. Now do the exact same thing on the other side. Stretch out your weave and you're all finished. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.